Hello guys, hope you guys doing well. I am Kushagra. Welcome to my channel. Today I am here to tell you about the composition scheme under GST. Let's go through it. GST composition scheme is a special benefit for those startup businesses who find difficulty in operations due to high taxation and rigid compliance. The objective of composition scheme is to bring simplicity and to reduce the compliance cost for small taxpayer. Moreover, it is optional and the eligible person opting to pay tax under this scheme can pay tax at a prescribed percentage of his turnover every quarter instead of paying tax at a normal rate. Next is who can get registration under composition scheme. Those business startups that deals in goods and services having a turnover below 1.5 crore can get registration under composition scheme. Means who they are dealing under the 1.5 crore business, they can get the composition scheme. And there are 9 states given on the right hand side. For them, the limit is 75 lakhs. And the third point is who has been excluded from GST composition scheme. GST composition scheme has been made mainly to benefit the small businesses taxable person who has been excluded from the benefit of this scheme, which are as follows: the casual taxable person or non-resident taxable person, business whose aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year has crossed 50 to 75 lakhs. The next is the business making interstate sales goods. These have been excluded. The next is suppliers making any supply of goods through any electronic commerce operators like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and many are there. The next is a manufacturer of ice cream, edible products, pan masala, tobacco, manufactured substitutes, they have been excluded. And next is there is no restriction on procuring goods from interstate supplies for those opting for the composition scheme if the businesses falls into different segments that it must register collectively for composition scheme. The fourth point here is given the rate system. Basically there are three tax rates have been given: GST rate 2%, 5% and 1%. For 1%, 0.5 both CGST and SGST. For 5%, 2.5 both for the restaurant services, and 2% for the manufacturer or manufacturing industries. And next is given when will a person opt for composition levy pay taxes. A person opting for composition scheme levy will have to pay tax on a quarterly basis before 18th of the month succeeding the quarter during which the supplies were made. And the important note I have marked: if a composition taxpayer having GST registration in multiple states, he will have to pay composition tax in all the states. Suppose if a person is dealing in 3 of the states, then he have to pay all the tax for their different business purpose. The seventh point is whether composition taxpayer can supply outside his state or not. No, business who opted for composition scheme cannot sell their goods. Please mark this important. No business who opted for composition scheme cannot sell their goods outside his boundary of the states. And the eighth point is merits. Yes. What are the merits of the GST composition scheme? Reduction in tax liability to pay tax. As we have seen, there are three tax rate system in composition scheme: 1%, 5%, and 2%. And in the general GST tax rate, 0 to 28%. The second point is limited compliance. One of the major benefit of GST compliance system is that small businesses startups registered under this scheme has to submit less number of documents. As you have seen, the GST station, it consists of uh, 20 to 20 30th documents you have to submit: PAN card and all the details, personal details of the proprietor, as well as the details about the shops, and many are there. Business have to file only quarterly, rather thrice in a month. The third point is ease of doing business. How easy you can transact the businesses. This scheme has made the business very easy for the small taxpayer, small businesses, startups, as it has reduced the liability to pay tax and has limited compliance. Fourth, more liquidity. Yes, it is correct. Ventures registered under this scheme have to pay lower taxes than other, so it involves less working capital, hence it brings liquidity in the business. And the ninth point is given: what the demerits. The first goes limited to interstate. Yes, as we have seen, it is a demerits for the composition scheme. The proprietor have to transact between their states only. He cannot cross the boundaries of other states. Tax from a pocket. Suppose if the tax is imposed on the particular person, then he only is eligible or allowed to pay the tax. He cannot transfer to other person. The third point is provision of penalty. If any business registered under this scheme is found faulty for registered for the scheme, then it will have to pay all the tax levied on it along with 100% of the levied amount as the penalty. The fourth is cannot avail ITC benefit, input tax credit. Business who opted for GST composition scheme cannot avail the input tax credit of GST paid on goods and services purchased. The 10th one is given the criteria to register for the GST compliance. You can go through it. And the next one is how to register for GST composition scheme. Yes, it is important. The first one is how upload the required documents information to our web portal. Yes, these many are the points. You can go through it. And the 12th, yes, it's too important. I have mentioned that the difference between regular and composition dealer. Suppose if one person have composition scheme and the other person is not having, so what are their benefits both for? Let's go through it. GST payable for normal dealer is calculated by subtracting output GST with the input GST, whereas GST payable for composition scheme is calculated by output GST. A normal dealer has to file 3 returns in a month, whereas composition dealer has to file return quarterly. Means he have to pay the tax only for 3 months. Means there are 3 quarters of 4 months in a year, so he have to pay tax only for 3 months, 3 times, sorry. Normal dealers can work interstate as well as intrastate, whereas composition dealer has to work intrastate only. The tax rate of tax for normal dealer is very high in comparison to the composition dealer. No maximum limit of turnover for normal dealers, but for composition dealers maximum is 1 crore is the limit. And at the last I have given the format for the composition scheme. This is the structure, how the composition schemes format looks like. Hope many of the updated version may be there, but it's quite similar to another one. Okay, thank you. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Please share.